Hi, Andrew. This is Anna Middleton. I want to ask you a question. I asked last year because it happened all the time to me, but they told me I should have to refresh in here. If you can tell, for example, this email was sent at 8:06. I received it at 8:40. The meeting was already done. This email I sent it to myself on Sunday night, and I just received it today. This email I sent it to myself last week. No, today. This email I sent it on Monday, the 21st, and I just received it today. Those emails were not on that place that they are sent. Sometimes they send you a note. But for example, last night I received this email that was okay. But another example, last week a teacher sent me an email at 7 in the morning. I received it at 3 in the afternoon. I refresh, I do all those things, but I miss sometimes information that should be timely, and I don't know what to do. Do you know why this happened to me? Do you know how I can fix it? Thank you.